locally. The key thing really is for your learning, right? And there are a lot of studies showing how valuable pair programming is for helping you learn things. So we've got this free software from Cloud9 and from Google that allows you to interact with anyone, anywhere else in the world. In principle, if you're really bashful, you could just be doing it just on Cloud9, just with the chat, and not even using the audio if you don't want to share your voice. So it's entirely up to you. But if you do start the broadcast here, you'll get very, very conveniently this YouTube link here will end up being the recording for your session, which you can then submit.
Gel buraya.
Yani o sadece yalakasın ya.
For your assignment. Another thing to be share your voice. So it's entirely up to you. But if you do start the broadcast here, you'll get very, very conveniently this YouTube link here will end up being the recording for your session, which you can then submit for your assignment. Another thing to be aware of is which screen gets recorded.
Sevmeyeceğim. Memesi mi var bunun? Bu ne? Bir şey yani. İstiyorsan sana da doldurayım beğenmediysen.
Yok, içiyorum.
The recording will catch the selected screen. So at the moment, I'm talking and my screen is automatically selected. If there's more than one of you in the Hangout, then by default, the selected screen will switch to whoever is talking. So if Arun or Maurice were talking here, things would automatically switch to their screen.
Ne biçim ayak? Elleyince de hemen bozarlar. Tamam, ellemedim. Rahatsız da olmuyor.
Screen, and the recording might be flipping between multiple different screens. Now you can override that by selecting one of the screens. You can get the white surround around it. See there, I've got this white surround. And make sure that's locked on to wherever your code is being displayed. So yes, you can turn your screen share on and off. You've got the chat, and that's the key things really. I think, yeah, enjoy, play around. We've got a little assignment. Just show what we're doing here. We've got this little assignment. Yeah, let's go back over there. All the description of what I've done in the pair programming on air page. So we've got this assignment to try submitting a test recording. Do that before you actually get into the assignment that will be released in a few days. Yeah, and that's about it really. One other final thing I will mention is that we have set things up so that when you start an event, it will post a link to the Hangout into the Gitter chat so that your collaborators can easily join you. This is a new feature that uses Gitter to help people coordinate in the same way that we use Slack chat to coordinate Agile Venture Scrums, pairing and planning meetings. But anyway, that's it from me there. Armando is coming up in a moment to talk about Ruby, and we will be getting into the programming part of the course. Best of luck with that, and best of luck with pair programming, and do let us know how it goes. All right, bye for now. chat to coordinate Adventure scrums, pairing and plan on air page. So we've got this assignment to try submitting a test recording.